Hello, lefty wannabes, and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. So it's really only been a week, really, since the last maintenance video because, like I said, I want to do them at the beginning of the week rather than the end, well, beginning of the month, technically end of the week if it's a Saturday, but beginning of the month. And since I kind of started this late February, um, and I want to do the early March and then early April, May, June, all the way through the end of the year. You're just getting a lucky bonus of seeing one again so soon. All right, so we'll go ahead and start this by writing out the month. It is March 2021. And as per usual, we will start with the uppercase alphabet. Trying to keep things fluid and straight. I mean, one thing I have to acknowledge is my right handwriting. As soon as I say right, I think of right left hand, but my right handwriting is not necessarily the best. So I'm okay sometimes seeing this left hand writing, not be perfect. I did know some people when I was younger who basically they wrote like type font, like a Word document. That's how they wrote. So I don't quite have that handwriting. Not with my right hand, nor with my left hand. But maybe I'll get there one day. Who knows? For now, I'll just focus on getting my left hand, roughly equal to my right hand, kind of how I'd been at the end of a year of writing every day. Again, this is a little bit different, not quite every day, but it's good once a month at least. Although, with all the other plans I have going around, comments, videos, hopefully those will take off, and I'll be writing for hours as long as you guys provide the comments. So there you have it, March 2021 maintenance video. So come back in a month for the April one. Until next time, alrighty, goodbye.